Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. Guys, you guys see my oven? It is dirty. This weekend I was baking a lot. My oven got a beating. I was doing a catering for one person and also cooking for my husband's job. So we need to clean this oven. I hope you guys can see it really good. The oven light doesn't work. I call management because I tried to take that light bulb out. It doesn't want to come out, and I don't want to break the light bulb in there. So guys, before I continue, this video is part of the open collaboration. Let's get it done. And this is hosted by the Prophet Live every Thursday at 4 p.m. Eastern Standard Time or 2 p.m. either Central Time or Mountain Time. Anyways, I will leave the link of the host in the description channel below so you guys can go and check her out. So yeah, we're gonna be taking this stuff out. And yeah guys, look at my oven. Look at my oven. It has gotten a beating. And for those people, they're going to say, oh no, this is more than just baking this. Yeah guys, this is just baking within 2 days and cooking within 2 days, and cheap baking trays that they break because that's what they provide for you. And yeah, so this needs to be clean, and meat popping all over the place because they want it to be nice and crispy. So yeah, so now I'm going to spray. I bought oven cleaner. I don't like using oven cleaner, but I have to because this is really disgusting. And also got my machine here. Of course, I'm going to be taking this out because this comes off. I'm going to be taking this out and I'm going to be spraying it. Well, I'm going to use Ajax and that and clean it out. All right. So this is just a little bit of you guys are going to see here, and then I bring you guys back. Okay. Oh my God, guys. Now I remember why I stopped using that crap for the oven. It's because you can breathe afterwards. So I had to do this to be able to breathe because I was like, oh my God, I don't want to freaking get sick here. So I close the oven. I spray it and I close it. I'm just going to let it sit. Hopefully I open even though it's 34 degrees and windy, but I open the windows because I don't want my dogs to get sick. And I turn out the sock system in the bathroom. Since this is a small apartment, the air's coming in a lot. And I turn on the fans. I have fans, so I turn them on. So that'll be okay, but Lara protect my babies because I don't want nothing happening to my babies. So my dog went to the room, the big one. The little one is going around, but I was a little bit of a tickle on my throat. I'm gonna go outside. I'm gonna take the dogs outside for now so they could get fresh air. And I'll be back, guys. I'll be back. All right, guys, I am back inside. So now I'm going to clean these dishes. I did before I sprayed the oven. I had cooked a little bit for my husband to eat before he left to work. He's working the late shift, so I was done cooking by 2 o'clock. By 3 o'clock he was eating, and by 3:30 he was off the door. And this is why I have this here. I made pasta, cheese stuffed pasta, and garlic bread. I didn't record it because I just wanted to get it out of the way. So, well, I'm going to sit here because I'm going to do the dishes. So I could put this little bit of dishes here. So yeah. So let's get started. I gotta move you guys on this side. Yeah, I'm gonna move you guys. I'm gonna make me an iced coffee. Yes, guys, a lot of you guys are gonna be like, you drink a lot of coffee. Yes, doesn't do anything to me. I've been drinking coffee since I'm maybe like 9, 10 years old. And when I started with the coffee, remember, I don't know if a lot of you guys don't know, but my mother is Native Indian from the island, Taina. And back in those days, well, we still have a lot of land. We still have coffee plants and stuff. And my mom used to take the coffee beans. They used to dry them. And then my mom used to take the cocoa beans and process them and make coffee beans covered with chocolate. And that was one of our snacks when we were little, guys. We were hyper as heck, my mama said. But you know what? That's how we were raised. So my grandson just started drinking coffee with me. I was making coffee. He's like, Grandma, can I have some coffee? I said, you want to try coffee? He's like, yeah. I said, why? You other Mima don't do coffee? He's like, no. I said, you guys got a coffee maker at home? He's like, no. I said, okay, I'll give you coffee. So he likes it. He likes coffee, guys. I don't know, somebody here where I live or maybe next door, I could hear their smoke detector alarm going, but in this place they have the smoke detector. If the battery is dying, it keeps beeping into you. Actually disconnected from the system because there are electronic smoke detector, but at the same time they do need batteries. Yeah, guys. So let's continue. I gotta clean this frying pan. I just put water on it because it's hard. Oh my gosh. No, guys, I don't have any gloves. I thought I did, but I didn't. My oven does have self-cleaning button, but I will not do that because I have seen so many horrendous videos about oven catching on fire and the walls, they just overheat and they catch on fire because the stove is so close to the wall. And I always complain about my stove being so close to the wall, and we're not doing that. We're not doing that, so I'll be doing this instead of starting a fire. Things are not. Woo, we are not doing that self-cleaning thing. Oh my God, this thing is still dirty. And I don't want to spray that thing. And I cannot take it outside and spray. So especially where I live, this is not a private house. In this community, if they catch you spraying something in a public place, they think that you are doing, you know. So what I'm going to do, I'm going to the metal brush, and I show you how it looks when I'm done. Oh my gosh. Well, this is what the turned out, nice and clean. We're gonna put that to the side, guys. Now we're going to the nightmare. So I'm gonna go with that. Let's rinse this out because I don't wanna. Let me put this machine together and I'll show you. It's coming out, guys. I had a hard scrubby that goes with this. I don't know what happened to it. I think it's in my other one because I have two of these. I may have to get it, I may not. I may have to get it. So I'm gonna pause you guys and I'm gonna go get my hair scrubby. Well, done. Now this. So let me see if I could bring you guys down. Oh, now you're gonna give me problems. Okay. All right, guys, I'm gonna bring you back because I don't have lighting in here.